Hello friends, when you open Blender, you will see this welcome screen. Just click anywhere outside it to close. Today we are going to animate this cube rotating around the center point, and we'll make sure the loop is smooth without any glitches in the movement. First let me move the cube away from the center point. Press G to grab the cube. It is ready to move. Drag it using mouse. Press left key to position. Then I will add a circle just for visual reference. Press Shift A, go to Mesh and choose Circle. Make it bigger by scaling it in the Object Properties. This circle will help us to see the path along which our cube rotates. Let us put the cube at the edge of this circular path. Once again, we'll select the cube, grab it and move it at the edge of this circular path. Now I'll add an empty plane axis. Press Shift A again, go to Empty and select plane axis. Leave the empty at the center. This will act as a pivot point for the cube's rotation. Now I will parent the cube to the empty axis. Select the cube first, then hold Shift and select the empty axis. Press Ctrl P and choose Object Keep Transform. Now the cube becomes a child of the empty axis. So whenever the empty axis moves, the cube follows. Now I will configure animation for the axis. Select the empty axis. Go to frame 1 at the bottom in the timeline. Then select Object Menu Item. Go to Animation. Then Insert Keyframe with Keying Set. Another menu appears. Here we will select Rotation Attributes. Keyframe is set at frame 1. One small yellow diamond sign appears here. Then go to frame 100. Press R for rotation, Z for axis of rotation, and then type 360. The axis has 360-degree rotation. This rotation to be set at the frame number 100. Once again, go to Object Menu Item, then Animation, then Insert Keyframe with Keying Set. We'll select Rotation. Again, small diamond sign appears at 100 frame. Keyframes are set at both time frame 1 and 100. The cube is now ready to animate. Let us press the action button to play the animation. See the effect. The cube animates for all 250 frames given by default. It rotates up to 100 frames, then it remains static. We will like to configure the end frame as 100. Go to Object Properties, Output Properties, and set the end frame number as 100. Once again, see the effects of animation. We find that the cube slows down at frame 100. As Blender does not know, we need cyclic rotation. We need to add the cycle modifier. To do this, go to the timeline area. Let's stop this animation first. Let us go to the timeline animation place. Here in this area, we'll add graph editor. Expand the empty channel. Select Z Euler rotation and go to the modifier tab here at the right side. Then add modifier. Select cycles. Let us go to the timeline once again. To see the effect, now let us run the animation once again. Now it is almost smooth, but careful observation reveals that at 100 frame, it is momentarily slow. This happens because frame 1 and frame 100 both have same rotation, 0 degree or 360-degree. To fix these, I will set the end frame to 99. Let us go to the output properties again. Here, it makes the motion clean and seamless. And the animation is done. Thanks for watching. In next videos, we'll have more complex movement of the cube and other objects.